Here we go. Yeah, nothing. Check, check. Check, 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 check. All right, that's working. All right, video capture. That is working. Got a little shmee up there. And yep, add that. Why is this not working? And window capture. There we go. That looks good. Done. Sorry guys, you gotta watch me put this all together. If anyone's actually watching it. Alright, let's go to, that's where we're gonna start. Sure looks pretty. Alright. Cool. Let's do a video capture in there. And close. Where's it at? Let's put let's strip it down. Something like that. Alright, my gardener decided to start right now. It's good. We'll go fix that. Alright, let's shrink that way down like that. And beautiful. Alright. Close that. And I think we are good. Enough. Good enough. What do you think, Chunky? Alright? Alright. And we'll move to ESPN. Beautiful. Alright, let's see if anyone can hear me. Let's go to and let's check it out. Alright, see if anyone can hear me. Share that, copy, done, and keep that, all right, go back, close that, all right. Goes that. Let's go to with voice chat. Check, check. And I will go ahead and mirror my screen now. Alright. And if everyone's coming in, we're not going to start playing in 10 minutes. I just want to start getting everything ready. Alright, let's see here. Everyone's just turning into the YouTube. we're not gonna be on there for another 10 minutes or so. So if you got some stuff to get ready, by all means do that. I'm just kind of getting all ready and testing everything before we get on. Especially since I just got back from vacation, I'm feeling kind of like a mess actually. So. Alright, let's get there. Let's go over everything. Got some silly stuff here. Kashmir trivia, Kashmir testnet. Alright, for everyone following, I'm going to go and start putting all these links in the, actually I'm going to put it in the main chat. So main chat. Here we go, I'll start putting down some links. Let's go ahead and do Zilly. Do this one first. And then hope everyone's doing great today. It's nice and it's pretty cold here in San Diego actually. It's nice though, I like it. I'm gonna call Crazy Cat Lady real quick. Hey, I'm on live. Hey, can you do me a favor in a second? Can you check the YouTube, make sure you can hear me and everything before I move any further?
Yeah, let me do that right now.
All right, cool. And then I'll be in the voice chat inside Women in the Spaces.
I was just about to hop into voice chat, so it's good to check the YouTube.
All right, cool. Thanks. See you in a minute.
Okay.
All right. For all of you who didn't know, Crazy Cat Lady is my sister, so I'm sure most everyone knows that. Okay. I'm getting pretty good at making these little banners. Well, maybe I'm not actually, so if you guys look at it, it looks like garbage, let me know. I'll work on it. And if anyone's listening, jump the voice chat. This is way better to do as a group and hang out. It's not like I'm the only one that's allowed to talk. I'd appreciate it if everyone talks and give their what they liked about this, what they don't like, what they want to work on. Maybe you know of an airdrop that I don't know about. So yeah, the more the merrier. Oh. Hey, what's going on?
I jumped into live to hear my own conversation with you happening. I didn't realize there was that big of a delay. It was the weirdest thing ever.
Yeah, well, I started the stream like 10 minutes ago because I was trying to work on stuff. I think I'm gonna start doing that actually, just so I can get everything rolling and not be so rushed.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. But yeah, no, so I can hear you in live. I also just heard my own conversation.
You're gonna hear this one too,
I'll check. Okay, I'm gonna hop into voice now.
All right, cool. Bye.
But you're good. All right, bye.
Alright, so let's see, CDG just did a call. What's that?
here making coffee.
All right. I know. Tonight's drinks and drops, I will get some whiskey or something going. So.
I got homemade Kahlua and homemade apple pie moonshine.
I don't have any homemade alcohol at the house. I think that's dangerous. I think I could potentially hurt myself. Yeah.
Well, no, I make it with Everclear. And then sometimes I'll cut it with vodka, but I like to soak it in the vanilla bean. So that I can put flavor into it. And then I make my Kahlua with espresso. So, a little bit strong. Everclear and espresso. Should be drinking water. So I'm gonna go with coffee. Did you say we were working on Rise today? I thought that was still out for a few weeks.
Yeah, I thought we'd just join the waitlist for it.
Oh, cool.
I think every class I'll try to add just like quick little things we could work on for other things. Just like Layer 0, there's not much to do, but I thought we would touch on it. Base is actually...
With Layer 0, you should probably remind people that they need to be doing those daily things every day. Those 10 points, 5 points. You have a 24-hour time limit on it. It's not actually gone off of a calendar clock. It is literally off of the last time you did it.
Yeah. Yeah, all of these. It's nice to touch base on them occasionally. So, but I want to touch on this. Binance, our Balance reached out to us, and
Yeah, the Rise one.
yeah, Rise, and it's kind of cool. They're gonna give us some stuff that's just for our group, which is pretty cool. But we really don't have anything just yet. I was just gonna share their Twitter if anyone wants to follow it, and then also they have a wait list right here. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, and then I'll put it in the I'll put it in Wit's voice. I'll put it in Wit's voice for everyone to join. That's just a quick little sign up thing, and then we're moving past that. But later on we'll come back to that probably in another week or two. I think they're like 2 weeks away from getting their testnet stuff up, so this is really early. And we're going to try our hardest to get with most of these airdrop companies to get on early and hopefully get us some extra access. So, and this is the first one, hopefully of many, so pretty cool.
Started early, so our points go up too. I mean, the earlier you get on these, the easier it is to grow on the leaderboard.
Mm-hmm.
And leaderboard really makes you effective.
Exactly.
I
So.
run Beely for that purpose, to be able to monitor the leaderboard for a long time.
Yeah. The first thing we're doing is actually on base on Zilly. So we're doing SparkFi, which is on base. Base is the Coinbase one.
Mm-hmm.
It should be a big one because Coinbase is freaking huge. So SparkFi is one of the bigger ones. I think the other one's called Beagle. Beagle's the other big one on base at the moment. So
Did Aptos already do theirs? I feel like I keep seeing Aptos pop up.
no, Aptos did theirs a long time ago, but they're thinking about having a second drop coming up. Yeah, and Aptos was a big airdrop. I think a year ago or so. Aptos was a while ago.
Okay, so they might be listening to study them. So I
Mhm.
keep seeing them pop up everywhere, and it gets me like super excited.
Alright, so here we go. Here is
What's
a...
your drink?
I'm just drinking coffee right now. It's early for me. It's 9:30 for me, so no booze yet. I still have to do actual work today too, so yeah. So hey, if anyone did the Rise-Fi, that's just a quick join the waitlist. There's nothing else to that. So once you do that, we'll move on to this Zilly one, which I put inside the Wit's voice and the main as well. I think I put it in Wit's voice. Let me double check. And I can actually, let me see here. I could probably put it on the YouTube thing as well, so it's here. Here, let's see here.
In the little bio underneath.
Yeah, I'll figure out how to do that. Let's see here. Just click on it. Can I comment on it? I don't know if that showed up. Can you guys see that on the YouTube one? I just put the Zilly link in there. Here is step 1. Okay. Okay, so here's Zilly. I'm just gonna start moving you guys. Alright, cool. So first thing we're gonna do, these are easy, these Zilly ones, right? I think everyone's kind of done it before. We're gonna log in with our wallet, gonna pop up in here, and then we're going to go ahead and Twitter follow. Go to this, connect Twitter, authorize app. Oh no, I just did the wrong Twitter. I need to log out. Let's see. I'm in your Twitter. Let's get out of there. Let's go to mine. Perfect. I was. Well, in Women in the Spaces.
Oh, okay.
Let's see here.
Make me some good connections if you're
And following already. Dang it, because I just linked our Twitter. Now I need to figure out how to. I did do the announcements. Yeah, I put at everyone. I'll put at here, I guess. I have the gardener doing my backyard right now, or landscaper. Do you guys hear that? Oh, good. Okay, just making sure. I can hear like the weed eater, like feels like it's in my ear. Okay. So I think I could go to edit profile. Yep. Let me go with, yep. Yes. There we go. Now I can link Twitter. I'll link my Twitter. That's better. Alright, now I'll go to quests. Claim reward.
I got a little bit behind this morning and I was staining some earrings. Paintbrush.
I have to say we got super excited to come back and put more trees in our national park thing that you built us.
Woohoo! That's so awesome.
Alright, connect to Discord.
And that's actually the color of stain I I'm working with right now is the one with the trees.
Let's see here. I have to go to my Discord here and log out. I have the Discord app open on my computer, but when I'm doing these airdrops, I like to do my Discord in here, and that way I can log into all the different Discords that I have for all my different accounts. It makes it easier. And that way, yeah, let's do this. Alright, so, and I'd imagine you guys probably want to do the same thing, because after a while it gets kind of annoying trying to, let's see, back. Let's see, our Discord. Join the SparkFi. Why doesn't it give me a link to that? Do I join Zilly? Maybe. Sir, authorize. Let me figure this out. Hate Telegram. Join Telegram.
I've done frequently been signing on for Telegram now. It's like it dings my phone so much. It's absolutely insane.
I don't really use it at all. In fact, I'm really kind of. It's the one app that I really don't even know how to utilize. To tell you the truth, and I'm not a fan of it at all. That's cool. You just connected Zeely. Okay, I need to find their Discord. Let's see, is that it right there? Join SparkFi server. And when anyone else clicks this, do they actually join the... Let me see here. Did it join it? Is there SparkFi? Do I have it? Did anyone connect to the Discord one? And it actually do anything? I'm trying to see if I have Zeely somewhere. I would have put it somewhere. Let's see here. I do not. These are all the ones that I own, so. Huh. Let's check that out again. Authorize. Oh, did it go to my...
What's the backstory on SparkFi? You know, any of the information on it? Who's collabed with them?
Get the Discord rule and introduce yourself to the community. Did anyone actually anyone able to join the Discord and could send me an invite? Because for some reason mine's not just linking to it.
I'm not there yet, but I will in just a minute.
All right, cool. If you get it in there, let me know. All right, I'm gonna move on. So let's move on. Twitter. So place SparkFi in your bio. Add SparkFi as a Twitter bio. Take a screenshot. No, thank you to that one.
Yeah, I always skip those. I'm like, yeah, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, write a thread. No, I'm not doing
Oh,
that either.
crazy.
Like, reply, tweet, complete, spread the word. Let's see what this one is. Tweet about us. I don't think we do that either. This one's kind of cool, like create a meme. Create a funny meme. I know a lot of you are really fast at that from grinding on NFTs. So if anyone's a fast meme maker, you can go ahead and do that one. That looks pretty cool. I think it's just like a screenshot and you send it in. Oh, good. So this is an invite in Discord. So someone give me an invite so that you can get your first invite to the Discord. Invite Zeely friends. Mission invite Zeely friends. Community.
Right now, hold on, sending it. Okay.
Oh, where'd you send it to?
I got one from me. DMs.
Oh, I see. Gotcha.
I click,
Join. Alright, cool. There we go. Click that and general. And does it get a role? Do I actually need to find a role? I don't think so. Let's go ahead and go up here. And connect Discord. And dang it. I think I have to like click on something for the roles. Let me see here. Resources, nope. Events, social posts. New member, that's probably it. Level up, check level. I don't know, I think I'll have to come back to it. Was anyone else able to claim this one right here? Hey, 1 second actually, it might be because my Discord is not connected. Let me see here. profile, link Discord.
I need to believe it could be my internet.
Okay. Our Discord account already linked to... Oh, someone else. I got you. That's my problem. Let's go switch to this account. That's not cool. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So this, log out, connect. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead and do this. Connect Discord. I have too many wallets, I think is the problem. And there we go, now I claim reward. That was it. I just had my Discord connected to another wallet.
I know that Coinbase overtakes all of my other wallets and like blogs MetaMask.
And that was pretty much it for this one. You guys could do more if you want. Boost Discord server. Maybe, let's see here. I think I've already used all my boosts. What do I get for that? +1? I don't know what that means. Follow base name service? No problem, I could do that. I don't mind following people, that's not a big deal. Claim reward. Follow feature earnings, sure, why not? I don't like the like and retweeting things. I don't mind following people.
Yeah, it depends. If it's a good program, if it's something that I'm already going to be tweeting about because I want other people to join in with the airdrop, I want them to get in early, then I don't really mind a whole like retweet thing. It's on like popular NFT projects that I don't want to fill up my thing with and keep it the rug.
Yeah. And I think that's it for this one, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and jump to the next thing we're working on here. Let me see here. I'll go back to Woods Voice Chat. And hey, if anyone has any questions or anything, please ask away. You know, this isn't something where it's just me chatting. You know, I'd happily answer any questions, or if someone knows more than me, hell, chime in. I don't care. Okay, next one we're doing is this Cashmere layer 3. This is part of layer 0, so we're just going to go through a couple of these and see if we can touch on some of them. And if something's too confusing or if you don't like it, you don't have to hit all of these. It's just getting as many touches as you possibly can. If there's something you can't afford to do, skip it. Go to something that's cheap or free. Alright, I'm going to put that inside the main chat. Alright, there we go. And let me go and throw that inside the YouTube as well, just in case. I have to make sure I ask my landscape dude not to be here on Tuesday mornings. Alright.
It might be hard for you, but it's where we can touch.
Yeah, I know. It's just like annoying me. It shouldn't be annoying. He's a super nice guy. Alright, so this one's pretty easy to catch me in. This is all layer 0 stuff, protocol, so we're going to be going through and So once you guys are here, all we do is just hit begin. I haven't done these, and I'm sorry, I just got back from vacation, so I went through. These are all the ones I've been wanting to touch base on. So Tuesday mornings are definitely going to be the me working through things and not really being an expert at it just yet. And then Tuesday nights will be much easier, and Saturdays I should have it all buttoned up and be perfect. But Tuesdays are also probably the best day if you want to chime in, throw some stuff, and play around. So. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but we changed the name of this to Drinks and Drops. So I figured, well, for me it's early, so I'm having coffee. But for all of you that are, past, you guys are off work or whatever, please have some drinks. Let's have fun with it. And I think for now on every week we'll have whoever has the fanciest drink during Drinks and Drops, we'll give them some kind of drop. I'm not sure yet. We'll start maybe even tonight. For sure Saturday we'll have that, though. So if you guys have a fancy coffee drink or a fancy liquor drink or whatever, it doesn't have to have alcohol in it. It's just a fancy fun drink, then you win the prize.
I vote we drop them Arbitrum because they're going to need that for somebody their drops.
Okay, yeah, that's true. I'm supposed to be reading these right now. Let's see here. MEV, attack protection. With the growing concern of minor extractable value, MEV attacks Kashmir Labs, implements protective measures to secure users' transactions and maintain integrity of the network. This is going to be a little quiz here, so. Efficient marginal slippage. By optimizing trade execution, Kashmir Labs minimizes slippage, ensures that users get the best possible price for the cross-chain swaps. Alright, time for a quiz. Continue. What is a typical operation in users' daily blockchain life to Kashmir Labs aim to improve staking rewards cross-chain asset swaps? Yes. Alright, get testnet native tokens. Verify. Alright, let's go to. I already have Coinbase wallet. Why is it? Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. I need to go to manage my extensions real quick and turn on my Coinbase wallet. I turned my Coinbase wallet into a MetaMask wallet as well. And usually that works for just about everything, except it's not going to work on this. So, does everyone have a Coinbase wallet? If not, I can show you guys how to do that.
Is that what we're working on this one?
Yeah, this is for Base.
Oh, that's right.
I got confused for a minute. I said layer 0. I think the Zealy thing we were working was for layer 0 as well. And some of these might actually cross a little bit too. So. Okay.
Chest or something. Ooh, what did I get? Sorry, I clicked the button.
Let's see here. Okay, testnet. Coinbase. And connect. I might have to do connected. Excellent.
I clicked the claim your chat thing and now I'm behind.
I had to confirm it on my phone. I know that some of you said you don't have to confirm everything on your Coinbase on your phone, but I do.
Yeah, I do.
And it sucks because sometimes it's not very quick. Sometimes it's very slow.
Oh my gosh, I can't leave this chat thing now.
It is kind of cool for their safety protocols, but at the same time, it makes it like incredibly difficult to. I better reset connection. Connect Coinbase. And come on, there we go. Woohoo!
Also, in clicking into Kashmir right here, like, there's no way in heck I would be looking at this animal in the wild being like, dude, I'm about to steal your fur coat and wear it. Like, you're just gonna become my new favorite sweater. That's not.
Hey guys, and this is all testnet stuff too, so this base squarely, ETH faucet is free, so they're gonna send you 0.1 ETH per day testnet, so I'll go and request that. Woohoo! We got it. Okay, cool. So we're on the test net there. Did everyone make it here okay? If anyone has any questions, just please chime in or write me.
Use Coinbase Wallet for this?
Yeah, this one is for Coinbase Wallet.
Okay.
Do you have a Coinbase Wallet?
I have a Coinbase account.
No, it's different. Yeah, the Coinbase Wallet is it's definitely a whole different thing. I could skip this step if you guys want to work on something else.
No, by all means. I'll look. It's right here. I was a little late. I had this up for a second.
Oh, no worries.
Yeah. I have to download my Coinbase wallet again because, like I said, if for some reason on my Chrome it takes over MetaMask and then it will not let me do transactions. So I'm constantly installing it and uninstalling it.
All right, cross chain, swap chain, Cashmere. Okay, now I have to swap stuff from Cashmere, so I'm gonna go to Open Cashmere. And let's see here, let's connect my wallet. And I think what I do, it gives me a chance to do MetaMask. I think I'm gonna do MetaMask because I do have my Coinbase wallet on MetaMask because it's way easier to use. I don't know if you guys knew you could do that.
Oh, that's right, because you're fancy.
Yeah, and it makes it so much nicer. So, let's see, try that again. Yeah, if anyone didn't know that, you can import your Coinbase wallet into MetaMask. I could show those steps if someone wants to learn how to do it. Because sometimes using your Coinbase wallet, and it still uses the Coinbase wallet just as it would. You just get rid of all the little steps you have to do in between. Like, I don't want to have to put my thumbprint every time I do anything on my Coinbase wallet. It drives me crazy. I do get, if you're real safety conscious, that it's a good thing to do. I get that, but it's also annoying as crap, so I'd rather not do it. All right, sign message. Let's see here. What do I have in this wallet that I could play with? Now it said just make any kind of transaction on here, so I'd go with just anything you have in your wallet already. I think I might have some BSC testnet in here. Let's check it out. I'm just clicking on my Coinbase wallet real quick, or my MetaMask wallet, and kind of flipping through all of my different testnets here. Let's see here. Do I have Polygon? It's a Girly. Do I have anything in there? I do. So let's see. Do they have Girly in here? They probably do. Base Girly. There we go. Because we just got it from the testnet. So if you guys want to do, if everyone got from the testnet there, they should have some base Girly tokens. And I'm just going to go ahead and swap that to, I'm actually going to go Linea, because we were working on Linea on airdrop a few ago, and so this might actually help towards that. So, and I'll go ahead and do 0.05, and after rate, minimum fees, blah, blah, blah. And switch network. And then swap. And this is one of the things, this Cashmere, that's what we're working on right now. You're going to notice that all of these things kind of overlap each other. You know, like we're going through one airdrop, but we're kind of working on three right here. We've got Cashmere, we've got Base, and we've got Linea. And so all these will count as steps towards possibly all of them, which is kind of nice. And do you guys see this pop-up window that's here? Let's see here. Maybe you don't. Oh, you do. It looks like it's on there. Okay, cool. Sometimes on the recording, it cuts out some of these screens that I would like everyone to see. If anyone's having any problems with this, let me know. You can also look back on the video if you'd like to. Okay, well that's taking a second. I'll see if I can move on to the next step. Sometimes you can. Got that. It's not gonna let me. I have to do it one at a time on this one, which is okay. Hey Rocket, so you deleted Coinbase. You know that you can go into your extensions. You put manage extensions, and you can go ahead and just mute them for the time being. Like I think I have 20 something wallets or something like that. But I can go through them. Can you guys see the screen? Yeah, you can. So you can go through them and just turn them off for the time being. I do that all the time. So you can see like my Binance, Agent X, Bravos, all these I have turned off for the most part, unless I need them, because they do, you're right, it kind of is annoying. When you go to Mint or something and it wants to grab onto a bunch of different wallets, it gets super annoying. So I pretty much turn all of them off inside of my extensions until I want to use them. So, and that's just in your extensions on your, oh, for me I'm using Chrome, so it's up here on the top right of my Chrome. Yeah, and you definitely don't want all of them on. It would be super annoying all the time. And MetaMask is actually super annoying when you're trying to work on other wallets, because pretty much it tries to override constantly. But in a weird way, sometimes MetaMask helps Coinbase. I remember when I used to mint a lot of stuff with Coinbase Wallet, some of the links didn't want to connect to it, and but if I left MetaMask open, for some reason MetaMask would somehow, I don't know how it did it, but it would act as a bridge sometimes to allow me to connect to my Coinbase wallet. I'm not sure how it worked, but I remember sometimes it even like, I don't know. There was one time we were doing an NFT where for some reason my Coinbase wallet kept on allowing me to mint more. I'm not sure if their contract just didn't allow, they didn't put some kind of stoppage for Coinbase wallet. It would link through my MetaMask to my Coinbase, and I was able to keep on minting off my Coinbase. So, and it was really good for me.
Mm-hmm.
It was that one NFT where it was like, what's it called? Something Freaks or something? The guy was a cartoonist for like Playboy or something like that. Penthouse? I don't remember. But then he had one that did really well, like an NFT, and then but then I think like 2 weeks later it surfaced that he did some like racist sketches, and the whole thing like plummeted. I cannot remember the name of it though, but whatever. Alright, this is taking forever. Usually takes up to 4 minutes. Do they have any kind of Etherscan or something? There it is. Are you guys taking forever? I wonder if I have to hit OK on anything.
No, I'm learning that, like, I don't remember the heck of my recovery things, but I always do it from my phone. So now I'm just making another call.
This says success.
Because it won't scan in the thing.
This is a base testnet transaction only. Success. Conferred by sequencer. That all looks good. Huh. Alright, close that. I'm gonna refresh this page because it feels like it's taking longer than it should. And let me go over here and see if it went through. Verify. It did, alright. It was just kind of frozen on there, so if you guys are having a problem with that, I went and verified it and it went ahead and took it, so. Hey Rocky, yeah, it was taking me forever too, and I went back to the layer3.xyz page, hit verify, and it went through. And actually, if you guys are on this page right here, you can click up here, and you can look at your transaction that would be right here, and it will tell you if it went through or not. Okay, let's go into OpenZora. We're going to mint Cashmere Labs Early Adopter. All right, let's go check it out. I think this is going to be minting an NFT. Accept. Mint 0.001 ETH. Let's check that out. I think this is actually real ETH here, so confirm on phone. I'm gonna reset that connection again. And mint. Alright, success. Minted 1 copy of Cashmere Labs Testnet Early Adopter. Alright, so if anyone wants to show me a fancy drink they have right now, I will send them the 0.012 to mint this. So first person to share the main chat wins it.
Okay, wait. You remember, good gracious, I can't remember which Discord did it. They did the game Fetch, and in order to prove you were not pulling an internet drink, right, like a photo, you had to write down on a piece of paper your Discord.
Oh, I see. That's a good idea. Yeah, that's right. That's a great idea. Okay, yeah, if you do post it, you have to put a picture, write something next to it or something, all right? And I'll take the first 5 people that post one, and then I'll figure out who has the coolest one, and then there'll be a winner in that. So, okay, cool. So that is done. I'm going to go ahead and verify that I got a NFT. Yay, it did.
And I'm screenshotting everybody who's in here today to make sure that they get their airdrop game star. So that you get entered into the $100 raffle.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's give everyone, I don't like pilling right now. I'll give everyone 10 minutes on getting a drink on here, okay? But again, it's the first 5, so. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put, open Twitter, and share this. What's going on here? Just said to share this quest. No, Joey's. I thought maybe I would try. Sometimes they'll let you do stuff. I don't know how I'm supposed to. Oh, I see. They probably actually want me to share this quest. Like, well, let's see here. Is there a way to invite people? Let's see here. I don't see anything there. Check out Cashmere Labs on layer 3. Alright, so I'll just copy that. And then I'll put their little link here, why not? There we go. Alright, tweet that. Refresh. refresh that, see if they give me a chance to share it. And verify. Ah, what the hell? I'm gonna go and skip that part. And I'm gonna go back and delete that on my Twitter.
I had the hardest time with something like that the other day where I had to show proof that I had tweeted something for an airdrop, and I swear no matter how many times I pasted in that Twitter link, it was not. Then I was like, bye. You don't get to be on my Twitter now. Thanks.
Alright, cool. I'm on level 2.
No.
Oh, cool. They have an Optimism one here too, which is cool. Base is actually running off Optimistic right now, if everyone didn't know that. In this quest, you'll explore Liquidity, Stargate. Oh, it actually looks cool, but I'm not going to do that right now. Okay, cool. Alright, I think I'm done with that. So let's see, we did the Kashmir one. That was good. I might do another swap on this Kashmir one just to... Preparing message. Cancel.
I heard on layer 0 you need to be up to 50 swaps, by the way.
On layer 0 you have to be up to 50 swaps? Okay.
Yeah, basically to secure your airdrop on there, you want to be at, not just swaps, but I mean 50 transactions in your wallet with them. So, you know, do with it. But yeah, like I looked at mine and I was like, oh, I'm failing at this. I'm at 17. Apparently today I'm about to drop some money doing swaps.
Yeah, I was gonna say I will. I'll look into that after this class and kind of play with that as well.
Yeah, basically to secure that you are going to be in the airdrop at this point in time, you should be at 50. In fact, I can find a link for it later today and post it into our channel so everybody can go check your wallet. You just paste it right into the spot that the link will have, and then it will tell you how many transactions you have, so you know where you sit airdrop wise.
Okay. Let's see, what else do I have a balance on in this wallet that I could play with? I have Mumbai. I think I have some smart chain stuff. Let's hear smart chain. What do we got? Nothing. Okay. Oh, let me go Linea. I might have some Linea in there. If Rocket wins with a glass of milk in the next 5 minutes left, then she's awesome.
She had to have milk.
She's just said she's preparing a glass of milk.
She needs to stay on the coffee.
Oh. Okay. I think that's it. We kind of went through all of them. I was thinking that if you guys want to, we could go back to Razili and look at the touch on some other ones like the Fusion X's every single day. We could do stuff, or we can jump into. Let's see, what time is it? Yeah, because today's class is only 40 minutes so far.
I would touch back into Zeely. There's a few that we're working on in there. I want to say layer 0 is in there, and reminder for everyone on that. You should be doing the daily things on that. Super simple. You're just opening up the different websites so that, you know, they have traction and traffic going to their websites. You wait the, 8 seconds, 9 seconds, and then you can claim.
Mm-hmm.
Super simple. The whole process takes like 3 minutes. Put it into your evening schedule before bed.
Well, we kind of went through the new ones. So I think I'm just gonna start touching some old ones. So this Fusion X one, if no one's in this here, I'll go and invite you guys right now. I'll put this in the main chat. Fusion X is kind of fun and easy. It's real quick. We'll go through these, and then if you guys want, we can also touch on Venom or something like that too.
Yeah, we did work through the sea venom when you were gone. I'm getting that over.
Rocket has a glass of milk.
What is up with the swirly straw, Rocket?
She's made it fancy. So that's what we told her to do. The straw really adds to it, so I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and put. All right, guys, doing Zilly Fusion X. Fusion X is easy and fun for sure. I like these ones that are on Zilly. I think that's pretty nice.
Y'all know that if Rocket wins with a fancy straw, we're gonna have to rub it in Matsu's face. Be like, straw won. And you were in class. So
Is Matsu not in here? Oh, because Matsu's at school. We'll see him tonight.
He's like in history class or something right now. Yeah, he'll be all later.
He should actually be.
What happens when you're 14 in Web 3?
Yeah, he should be in our class tonight instead of watching the Celtics lose to the Heat because he's a big Celtics fan. He'll be crying if he. Yeah, so, all right, cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start working on these. Complete quest to access this. Be part of a Fusion X. What is this? I already did all this.
Is anyone stuck anywhere? Does anyone have any questions? I know I got a minute behind because I started new Coinbase and then can't get the Gorally drop until you have like 0.002 ETH in there, so I had to wait for Coinbase to transfer from Coinbase to another Coinbase. So if anybody's stuck on that, just let me know, or if you need us to, like if you're like me and having to start a brand new Coinbase, if you need that little bit of funds transfer.
It is Mantle, yeah. In fact, if we go to airdrops, Tammy or Crazy Cat Lady actually made like a nice drop sheet for it. I'll grab it real quick. Let's see here. Yeah, you have to do the tweet, you have to do a couple other things to link it, and then you go through these little things every day. They usually have like little ones you could do almost every day for this Fusion X on Mantle. Kind of nice thing about it is you're kind of working at 2 airdrops in one because Fusion X is going to have one and Mantle will also. So as you work through these, a lot of these, I don't think this is going to be a huge drop. I think you'd be looking at like $200 to $500 per wallet you do on it. I highly recommend running 5 to 10 wallets on all of these if you can. And I know that's a lot more work, but these are so easy that I recommend, while you're watching Netflix at night or hanging out and stuff, you can kind of run through a couple of these. And if it's more than $300 or $500 per each, it'd be nice. Most of them, typically, we get $1,000+ per wallet. We do typically. So, but this one, I'm gonna say it's probably gonna be a little bit less. I don't know. They actually do have some capital behind them too, so we'll see.
And the nice thing is, even if it's 250 bucks, it is like a 5-minute process daily. If you get multiple wallets on there, then, times 250 bucks by 10 wallets. And because they're airdrops, like money that you just weren't, expecting. And so once you get 10 or 12 airdrops, different chains going and stuff, and you just keep working on them, if they keep coming in, then it's just starting to form a revolving income.
Okay, finally getting to the part that we actually claim some stuff. Okay, cool. So, hey guys, once you get to this part where you... Oh, I'm sorry? Oh, it hasn't added it?
Yeah, so it's a send tweet and verify tweet for the faucet.
Yeah.
It's not registering the tweet for some reason.
Here, go to your account right here, and then click on Edit Profile, and make sure that your is the proper Twitter that's on there.
Yep. It's all, it's all set. It's in the userx.finance.faucet. Of course, there's one step one being a tweet, and then verify the tweet, then you can send those. I sent the tweet that they asked. Just, I guess I'll delete it, check it.
Yeah, maybe.
For some reason, it's just not picking up what I did it for some reason.
So some of them get really bogged down and delayed, or if you have like the blue check mark, then it takes like that 30 seconds to show. But other ones you have to be really quick. Like Kashmir, for instance, it only checks the last 10 that have tags in it. And so you have to be really fast to hit the verify, which is ridiculous in some ways, but it makes sense.
Yeah.
So each one has its own little nuances.
Hey, also, once you do that one tweet, if you come back, like say tomorrow, to do like daily tasks on here, you don't have to send another tweet. You could just say verify. It will find the old one, even if it was weeks ago. It'll still grab it every time. So, and then if you guys, when you do get to this part right here, where it says claim faucet from Fusion X, if you don't have Mantle, you go click on this right here. We'll add it to it. Switch to Mantle Network.
Yeah, just having it at your piece.
And Tammy, have you touched on the Venom? I don't know if Venom has added any new tasks. I wanted to check on that as well.
No, Venom's been pretty standstill for a hot minute here, but I haven't been in there for, I want to say 3 days. I don't think the kiddos out there.
So I'm sorry. For the claim faucet Fusion X website, the first daily task, it still has a lock on it.
Oh, it still has a lock on yours. What, you can't get to this page right here?
Oh yeah, no, that's where I just played from. That was what I was talking about. And so I was able to do that, and then when I go back to the what is it, Zelly?
Mm-hmm.
Then it's not letting me.
Oh,
It's still saying that's locked.
get tokens. There's a possibility that, just like all these test nets, sometimes they're actually working on it. So watch, let me run over to, let me jump inside of their Discord real quick, because I'll bet that maybe we can't even use this if we want to. I bet that they might have.
I found it. When you click it, there's like all these pop-out windows you have to do, and there's all these different other sub-tasks you have to do. So maybe,
Yeah.
If you have options like that.
That's
follow
what's.
this, follow that. Okay, that's it's alright. It's just a little different than the other ones.
No, it's definitely a little different, but it's easy once you get used to it. Okay, cool. So let's see here. Let me put verify tweet. Okay, cool. Now I can put, when I hit get tokens on this, I want to right when it pops up. Let's see here. Come on. Okay, cool. Then I want to go ahead and copy this right here, this link right here. I'm going to go and copy this URL right here. And then scroll down to the bottom right here and paste that into here. And claim reward. And that's how all these work. So every single one of these will be doing the URLs. So swap FSX for bit. Go and click on that. And it's funny because this keeps on changing, this interface. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but it's kind of cool. They're putting different stuff every single time. FSX for bit. So FSX for bit. Do 50%.
Except it wants the URL for the Mantle skin.
So here I'll show you how to do this real quick. So it's I don't know if you're watching me, but so I have FSX for bit, and you have to enable it first and then OK that in your wallet. Confirm. I don't know if you guys can see my wallet pop up. I have a confirm. And now I should be able to swap it. Still waiting. And now I can swap. So you need to do swap, confirm swap. And then I'm going to confirm that in my wallet. Swap the unknown error code. Let me see. Did I do something wrong in here? I'll do 25%. See if that works. And swap. Also, you guys, when you're doing any of these, if you notice like any misspelling in anything, and you can do a little screenshot and send that to them, they appreciate that. You get some extra points for that. There are spots inside of Zilly that will show you like, hey, if you could report an issue, that, because that's the whole point of this. We're learning how to use their stuff. Okay, great. So now on this, I'm going to go ahead and click this link right here. What the heck? The other way, it does pop up when you do a transaction, but you can also click on your wallet and put recent transactions. And this one right here, this one says swap for FSX for bit. I want that one. And then I'm going to copy that URL. And then I'm going to put that right there, what says swap FSX for bit and claim reward. All right. Next one is swap USDT for bit.
On what you were saying earlier with the, if you find misspellings and stuff like that, also things that are just written for, like with T-Venom, we had a huge amount of people get stuck on trying to, get other coins into the wallet, and it's because when they said, hey, transfer something into T-Venom and get it in your wallet, everyone was stuck because you needed to be able to transfer T-Venom over to BNB and then transfer BNB back to T-Venom, but they forgot to put that step on there, which left a whole mess of people stuck. So if you see that, pop into their Discord, go let them know that it's confusing the mouth covering.
Okay, this one's taking forever. All right, Rocket. It seems like you've won the best drink competition here. So if you want to post your wallet below, I will send you the 0.015 or 2 to mint the one from the last task. Hey, and there's a new task on Venom too. Maybe we'll go touch base with that if you guys want. Hey, as for these classes, just hang out as long as you can, as long as you want to. I'll try to go through, as many things as possible. And then I do have to do some work for my normal job as well today, so I have to still pay my bills and that kind of thing.
Alright, how much FSX do you have to swap for a bit?
It doesn't matter, just any amount.
Oh, okay.
And for some reason, this is not let me do this MUSC. Let's see here. Try less.
On a lot of these swaps, you're going to want to stick to like the smallest amount you could probably get through, only because tasks later on will be eating up some of the tokens that you get from, the faucets. So you want to make sure you save as many tokens as possible in case there's a more expensive task down the road.
Well, and this is a free testnet, so I mean, if you like, if it said like swap bit for MUST, but you were out of bit, then you would just flip these around and put MUSDT into bit, etc. It doesn't. But when they first opened this, the first time we actually worked on Fusion X and Mantle, they wanted us to do 10 of each. Every single one of them 10. Swap, 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 swap. It was a completely different layout then. But it's definitely, it looks like it's having a little bit of issues today for sure. They're I'm gonna copy and paste that anyway, even though it says it doesn't have it. Let's see here. Let's see if it will take it. Okay. And then we're gonna add liquidity for, what's this one said? Bit over FSX. What's that? And liquidity is, this is all the same page up here, guys. We got the faucet for it, liquidity and trade. So liquidity. So add liquidity. And what was the thing that said? Bit over FSX. Just like that. And I'll do 5%. Perfect. That's not letting me, there we go. Enable FSX. And you guys, again, this is all just testnet fake money, so yeah, none of it matters. These testnet ones have been pretty nice with everything being so crazy lately as far as the cost of gas for everything. Sorry, sidetracked there. And cool. All right, cool. Did that already go through? Recent transactions. Oh no, I just proved it. Let's go and press add. Rocket, I went ahead and sent you that 0.012. If you're still on that page, you can mint that NFT. Confirm. Is anyone else having problems with Mantle Explorer? Mine's not showing anything because I'm just saying sorry. I said pending though, so maybe give that a second. Let's see, did it go through? All right, confirm, there it is. So it is working, it's just a little slow. And liquidity with pairs USDT over bit. Close that. And I'll go and do it says insufficient MUSDT. Let's go ahead and take this down. Go to this is insufficient, just bring it down to a lower price. Confirm. And remember, when you guys enable it and you press confirm inside your MetaMask, that's not the process. You have to make to get to the point where you press add. That's just okaying it to be used. And still, especially when you're sitting alone watching TV at night, going through these, you know, sometimes I'll move past it without remembering to press the actual add right here. Come on. I'll just wait a second for that to go through. Is that it? Added the 5. Try again. I'm just gonna copy that and see if it goes through. Alright, finally, last thing. Mint your own token. Connect your MetaMask wallet to the Mantle network. Go to... This is a new one? I don't think we've done this one before. No, it definitely is a new one. Okay. Select the Create Token tab. Enter the name, enter the token ticker, enter 18 tokens per decimal. Alright, cool. Something new. Oh shoot, I just closed it. Alright, it's here. Let's see here. Okay, here we go. So, it's our token name. We'll put CryptoDad. Simple token. We'll put CPD. Let's see if that works. 18, and we'll do 1900. Great. Manage token, burn token. I have to import it. Add custom token. That's cool. Got a Fusion X Finance multi-sig. Paste your token contract address. Wow, this is a pretty lengthy step. Dang it! I just twice in a row I deleted it. Okay, try this again. Oh, cool. Thanks, Crazy Cat Lady, for showing the ZK sync thing. We can talk to that next if you want. We're pretty much done with this. If anyone's following along on this, anyway.
Yeah, I think we just hit a little over the hour mark, so we might want to see patients either tonight or tomorrow. Like, I'm going through adding all
Yeah,
the
we'll touch
digital
this stuff
codes
later
and
because
things like that.
I do have some other stuff to do too. So I'm just gonna finish making this token, and if everyone has any questions, we can take those, and then we'll probably be finished until tonight. And tonight is going to be, what time do we do it at night? I forget. Is it 6:30?
5:30.
5:30? Okay, cool. So, and then 5:30 Pacific time. So that is just about 7 hours. Oh, from now. Gives me enough time to get some stuff done.
Adding the roll.
And we could also watch the basketball game together if you guys want.
I will have to learn about
All right. Did anyone else get to this point where they're making the token? It's taking forever.
Mm-hmm.
I figured it would. So let's see here. So Dexel's factory. Under the name of the token. Blah blah. Token address. Great. Click copy to get your token address using your token contract address. Import your token as a custom token in a MetaMask. Okay, cool. I could do that. This is kind of cool, actually. Okay, so I'll copy that. Then I'm going to go and add it to my wallet. Do you guys know I added to your wallet too? If you click on your MetaMask on the top, it will have the Mantle testnet up on top, or Ethereum, whatever you're on. Click on that, go down to Add Network, and you'll get to this. And then you'll go to Add Network manually. There is another way you can do it actually. Let's see here. Go to Assets. That's what it is. Import tokens. I was doing that wrong. So if you go to Assets, Import tokens, then put your token contract address, paste. Token symbol, which was D and D is what I put. Cool, and decimal token is going to be 18. Add custom tokens, import token. Hey, there it is. I have 19 million of them. Okay. And then, what was the next step? Hey, Myrtle.
When you have a second to, I need your BRP from the asset.
Yeah, BRC what?
Your BRC20 address?
Oh yeah, you need to is it for a BRC20? Do we get a whitelist for one or something?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
here.
it was just shooting me a message of that.
That
I
is.
don't have yours written down anywhere.
Let me figure out what was that wallet. It is.
Doesn't Coinbase have a Bitcoin wallet?
No, I opened one else somewhere else. X versus the one I have.
Okay.
And remember that inside of Xverse you should have two wallets. One's for Bitcoin and one's for Stacks and Bitcoin address. I think it's the Stacks address that you want for the BRC. And here, I'll post it right here.
Where are you seeing it?
It's in the main chat. Alright, back to this. So here we go. Connect your MetaMask wallet, mantle testament, blah, blah, blah. Create token, did all that. Did that. Added imported token. Token address. Nope, I just did the wrong thing. Done with that, done with that, done with that. Done with that. Let's see here. Paste your code to attract address from step 13.
Okay, if these meme coins, shit coins keep coming up with these god awful names, then I'm gonna end up having daily. This is so horrible. So horrible. God, it's kind of like they're just sitting around smoking pot and being like, what can we do that would be offensive? That's gonna hit so big.
Yeah, they're making money in it though. It's crazy.
No, that like, it was like that NFT that came out that did not do good, and people thought it would because it was so offensive. That anal gazer.
That I actually minted. Yes, I do remember it.
Yeah, yeah, because everyone thought it was gonna do so good because it was so offensive.
Enable your custom token. Click airdrop. Proceed to airdrop, and then submit the URL. Okay, cool. So let's see here. And where'd you go? I think I already did it. Looked like it did anyway.
So for Cashmere and stuff, hopefully before our 5:30 class today, I will have the PDF and JPEG put together for that with a link and some background information on where their funding is coming from and stuff, just so that you guys have it all at your fingertips.
Who said that?
No, I said I will.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'll put together the airdrop
All right.
PDF for it, so that anyone who missed the class, who's going to join in later and stuff, will have all the links and not have to scroll through main chat or through the voice chat and all go see the correct things to go to. So I'll just compile it right.
All right, cool. I am done with that. Do anyone have any questions or anything? Everyone stuck on anything?
No?
No, it wasn't too bad at all. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like manual copy all 500 addresses from this to just GitHub, right? Open it just GitHub. It just takes me to Fusion multi-tool set.
Oh, let's see here. Let me try it again. Dang it, I just closed mine. It won't let me do it again.
No, remember T-Venom was that same way. I had a hard time getting it back up all lit on there.
Oh man, what the heck? I apologize. I can't get back into it. But it okay. So what part was it? I copied it.
Yeah, it says 17. Click manual copy all 500 addresses from this link. You paste it. When I open this link, it just goes to the Fusion Finance multi-center token. There's no like list of 500. Whatever.
Doesn't it have like a pin, like right underneath it has a little window, like a square down here that says like, click on that, and then it should say manual. If you click manual, and then you can paste it in there. Or if you want to share your screen. Yeah, that's what I did. I clicked manual and it let me paste them inside there. I don't know. Is anyone else on that step too that could potentially share their screen?
No.
Or if you give me the link to it, I'll try it again. For some reason, it won't let me open this anymore, and I just closed it on my window, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Because I could do it with this token as well. Hey, thanks for joining us, Rain. I don't know if you guys knew it, but Rain is the person who's set this all up with the Rise. And hopefully in a couple weeks we'll be doing some stuff on testnet with his stuff as well. Yeah. And if you...
Rain, if you missed it, the first step in today's class was going and getting on the wait list.
Oh, nice. I got it a little bit late.
Yeah, it's fine. Let's see here. Let me take mine off. Stop streaming. And then we'll click on... Where's Rain? Now let's see, you have a screen in here. Oh, there we go. Yeah, I got you. Okay, great. So scroll down. Let's see here. Scroll down. Okay. Yeah, okay, great. Yep, copy all those.
No way. Get out of here, dude. It was bringing me here.
Yeah, so copy all those. Yeah, copy that all the way down. That's cool. We get to watch it. Yeah, then you just paste it in there. Then you go down. Next step. And then it's going to say enable. Yeah. And then you'll do the airdrop as the next one.
Wow, that's crazy. Now that's the
And now it should load in a second. It should give you airdrop. Did you have to sign in your wallet first? There we go. Okay, cool. Now I press airdrop. Right above there. There you go. And then you should be able to see the transaction in your wallet now. So go back to the page you're on. Did you already copy the URL? If you go back to the last page you're on, the one you were just at, let's see here, one over to the right, FusionX, and then click on your wallet on the right. The 5X, yeah, there you go. Perfect. Copy that URL and then you should paste that in, you'll be fine. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, copy that URL, paste it in the Zeli. Bam, there you go. And that's it for that one, yeah. There you go. Yeah, cool. Airdrops are kind of fun to do with a team because like a group of people, it just makes it so much easier going through them. Because there's ones that I've done like 10 times, and I'll just sit there and stare at a screen like, what am I doing right now? And then Crazy Cat Lady will be like, say something that's very obvious to get me out of my rut. So, but hey, I'm gonna let everyone go and see you all later on tonight. If anyone has any questions or anything, hit me up, or you can always write in here too. So I'll talk to you all soon.
Alright, see you guys on the